The IIIF150 Air2 Ultra was unveiled at the MWC event in Barcelona. The device, according to IIIF150, would be the thinnest rugged phone in the world. That's what they claim. And also the device is expected to launch before the end of March, although there is no official release date yet. I'm only speculating, okay? Anyway, its key specs were unveiled and I'll share them with you guys in this video. So without further ado, let's explore its top features. So the IIIF150 Air2 Ultra would have a thickness of 8.5 millimeters, and the device is expected to be very light as well. The device is rated IP68 and IP69K. It is also military grade standard 810H certified, and according to the brand, the Air2 Ultra is also shockproof. The phone features a 6.8-inch AMOLED display with a full HD plus resolution, and it has a maximum brightness of about 2400 nits, which means the display is bright enough to be used under direct sunlight. The phone will be powered by the Mediatek Dimensity 7050 processor paired with 12GB RAM and 256GB internal storage. And in the camera department, the device would feature a 108MP primary sensor and a 64MP night vision camera, while the front-facing camera would be 32MP. Additionally, the device will pack a moderate 6000 mAh battery and is going to support 65 watts fast charging. So these are the key features of the IIIF150 Air2 Ultra. It is expected to launch very soon, and it is expected to be the thinnest rugged phone in the world. I don't know if that claim is true because we haven't actually compared its thickness with the thickness of other thin rugged devices. So what do you guys think about the upcoming IIIF150 Air2 Ultra? Feel free to share your thoughts in the comment section below. Thanks for watching, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys in the next update.